Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the event theme and how we can edit this as an event administrator. So this is really good for things like branding and putting your own colors onto the Oxford Abstract system so that users have a consistent feel when they come to the submission form or the review form and even their Oxford Abstracts dashboard. So you can really, carry on the consistency of your message and your branding onto our platform. So to do this, we go down to the event theme section on the left-hand side, just here. So from here, what we can do is we can choose different things to edit. So the first section is colors, the next is logo and background image, and the last one is the event panel. So I'll go through these one by one. Then on the right-hand side, we can preview how the changes that we're making here affect different parts of the application. So we can see, for instance, these are just some demo buttons and drop-downs. And so this is to give you an idea of how the forms will change in the application. Another really good thing we've got here is that we can click into the submission tab. And this is going to show us our submission form for the event and then also show us the changes as we make them here. So let's have a look at the colors, for instance. So if I go to change the primary color for the event to this orange color, we can see that this affects the submission form here. So if I change a couple of the colors, so now we can see we have a very different look and feel to the submission form on the right. It's also good to then look through the other tabs and then see what else is affected by this change in color. So if I go to the review tab, we can see here how these changes have affected the application. Then the next tab is the event page. So this is the dashboard, this is what the users will see on their dashboard if they are part of this event. So the event is called Virtual Conference. So they will see this box here on their dashboard, and then also if they have submissions for the event, they would see another box below. So having seen my color designs, I've decided to reset those colors back to how they were. So that's changing the colors. The next thing we can do is look at the logo and background image. So this is for changing the logo that would appear on top of the submission form and the review form. So let's choose an event logo. We also have the option to choose a background image. This will show up in the background behind the form. So it has to be a very simple image for it to work. So let's choose event logo. Okay, so I've just chosen this generic logo to put on the top here. So we can see that it displays before the submission form. If we go to the review tab, we can see that this logo shows up on the reviewer's screen. So next we can have a look at the, let's see, so we can also, the other thing we can edit is the event panel. So this is really a way that we can just add a panel with lots of information, and we can add it to the submission form and the event page. So let me just remove this logo. So what we can do here is let me just add some demo text. So I'm just going to call these what they are here, so we can see how they show up on this event panel. Okay, so we can create this event panel, and then we can decide whether we would like to show it above the submission form. As well, we can choose whether we'd like to show it above the event dashboard. So we can see here, we can choose whether we use the primary color for the panel and a few other things here. We can also decide to use the event title, or we can type in a custom title here. And we have the option to add the event dates if we've added them to the system. Then we can check this also in the event page, so we can see it showing up here. Okay, so this is a quick run through of how we can edit the event theme for an event on Oxford Abstracts. So that's an overview. The best way to do it is just to try out the different things and see how they affect your submission form and other areas. Okay, thanks for watching.